What's going on, everybody? I'm fishing at my local pond, Spring Meadow Lake. Pretty good for bass fishing. I got my dad with me. He's gonna be using just night crawlers. I'm gonna probably be using my frog season. It's freaking July, y'all. I'm excited to see if we can't get some topwater bites. But anyways, I'm gonna throw you guys on the chesty. Just gotta get some content out for you guys. And if you guys clicked on this video, I really appreciate it. All right, guys, I'll see you guys when I'm fishing. Catch you guys on the chesty, y'all. All right, y'all, like I said, got my dad. We're fishing now. I actually forgot the tackle box. That's why I did my intro. I haven't got to fish yet. I got my Booyah Pad Crasher frog rigged up with this Black Max Abu Garcia. I also have a Speed Stick Lose combo up there. And my Shimano's at home, actually. So, yeah. I was actually on a kayak up here the other day. Trying to get me a pad crasher and bite. Do you actually already have one? Dang. Yeah. Remember last time you caught one on that, like that? But yeah. Pad crasher. Really good walking. Like walking the dog is super good on this. So hopefully we'll see if we can't get some frog bass. Actually, guys, quick story. I have not ever caught a bass on a frog nor topwater. So today I'm trying to change that. Going on these seaweed, whatever it's called. This is called definitely not lily pads. But yeah, we'll see if we can't get some frogs. Or frog bites, I meant. Downside on these is when you flip it up there on the seaweed stuff, Montana doesn't have good lily pads, guys. But they'll still eat off of this. Yeah, I'm gonna change spots real quick, yo. Shoot! Let's fall in a hole. They got water in my eye, bro. I saw two monsters, dude. Yeah. That was a turtle right there, bro. Last time I got a couple frog bites right here, actually. Just never caught a fish on a frog, which sucks. Oh my gosh. Dang it, dude. Dude, what even is this? Like, stop. What is this knot, bro? Like, I swear, sometimes fish are just like, they'll stare at it, right? And they'll be like, oh, wow. That looks like that could be an awesome supper. But good thing that freaking Grandpa Joe over here fed me. Some random dude. And then I get seaweed. Like, oh, fight, bro. Stupid knot. Oh, there we go. Okay. I should probably stop crashing out so much. Awesome cast. Alright. It's just the start of the day. I can tell. Like, nothing's good happening. Nothing good is happening. No bites. Okay, I'm gonna be switching up. I'm gonna go to my freaking Xfinity speed stick glues. See if I can't get one. Oh, gosh. All right, meet me at the table. I'm changing anyways. Took his worm, y'all. Dang.
I saw him run away with it. I was like,
yeah, I caught that on camera too. Just hook set. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Just rigged him up. He's a little scared of worms right now. Yeah, I'm gonna use this fly. If I can get it. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna use this fly. Bass absolutely love flies in this lake because there's so much dragonflies in this lake. So we'll see if we can't get some bass out on the dragonfly. All right, first cast on the dragonfly. Yes, guys, you can fly. Use a fly on a spinning rod. All right, I'm gonna drop it in this hole. Well, try to drop it in this hole. Oh, that worked out. Never mind. This hole. Just gonna keep fishing in holes and get this bass in. Oh boy. Can't seem to get one. Look up, there's minnow galore down here. That's a lot of minnows. Too bad I don't have a freaking minnow net. Maybe use a minnow as bait. Surprised there ain't no big fish around those minnows that I know of. Oh yeah, right there is a bass. I just hit a fly up there. Dude, this bass is getting hungry. Oh crap. Alright, y'all, I'm switching to freaking night crawler. So that just does a trick in Montana for bass. Maybe y'all that live in like good bass fishing states and stuff, probably works a little better on lures. Leave a comment down below. Also, guys, so I want to know what you guys use for bass. If you guys fish in like a local pond. My worm just freaking fell off. I'm gonna crash out, dude. My hands are getting freaking insanely dirty. Like, bro, I can't do this. Fishing with a night crawler is like a nightmare. Frick! You'll see. Boy. Why are these night crawlers so disgusting? I hope you guys are not watching this while eating. Because, I mean, that is nasty, dude. I'm going to go down to the water, wash this stuff off, because my pants don't like being stinky. 2 bites? Dang. Yeah, my dad's getting them bites. Oh, that water feels nice. Huh? I know, it's the same one. They all freaking just want your worm. It's so annoying. Get away from me, bird. I hope I don't catch that freaking turtle. Fucking turtles are the worst. One of these days, they'll hook a turtle. Yeah. Trout. Fish right here. There's a couple of bass. Okay, y'all, just cast it in. I already got a bass on me. This is how the worms do. Catch you guys when I got them. You getting bit? I ain't getting crap. Oh shit, that's a fish. Never mind, I got a fish. A little pumpkin seed, bruh. Yes, sir, y'all.
I ain't getting nothing and then boom, bit.
Okay. Oh, wasn't my target, but at least I got one. That's it right there. So is that how it works, big boy? Go over here. Want to go back? Shut up. All right. He's off. Let's go. Going old school, y'all. Freaking. Little break, bro. Oh boy. My dad's hooked up, baby. Oh, nice. Shoot. All right. Let's go, Dad. A little bigger than mine. Yeah. We gotta set your drag. That's real loose.
Yeah, you gotta do that.
That's this fish, y'all. Let's go. They always do that. It's the worst fish for flopping. Flops more than Ashton in basketball. There you go. Beautiful fish. He's off. Chill, dude. Gosh. Life's not that rough, fish. You got me soaked. He's lucky I'm not wearing socks. All right. It's freaking. I'll try to get another bass. See. Spot I'm in. Fish are elusive. I hate fish, I swear. Alright, so I think a bass just picked me up. Pretty sure. I don't know, but okay. I don't know what just happened. Okay. Dude, I was just like trying to get my thing out of the seaweeds and a big old fish just took me. Oh shoot, he's on. What the heck? I didn't even notice that. That's a freaking big one just came off. Oh no, oh my gosh. I'm gonna crash out, bro. That was a big one. I didn't even, oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. That's just crazy annoying. That is so annoying. Alright. Let's see if I can't get that same bass. He pulled me so hard, dude. Like, I don't even know what to say about that one. That was insane. Insane, insane, insane. Just so insane. Let's see if he's not right there anymore. Which I'm sure he is. We'll see. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know I had him. Oh shoot. He might have came off. He just put me in a log. Do I have him? Oh, I have him still. Oh, it's a freaking pumpkin seed. Gosh dang, dude. You got me in a log. Freaking thing. Holy crap. I don't know. I have one though. Really? Yeah. I got one in all the seaweed. Look how small that is.
There's a fish in there?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, he is freaking micro. Look it. That's the size of your freaking big toe. I didn't even hook him in the mouth, bro. I hooked him in the eye. We got to get a good picture of that one. Caught me a dinker. Look at that thing.
He's so little.
Thanks for biting, little dude. That is the tiniest fish I've ever seen. I got to get a quality release. Hold on. I'm just going to step out. Just a little bit. Okay, y'all. Got this absolute unit, dude. Turn these off. Just like that. Sick. Oh my gosh, my dad's got one, y'all. Oh my gosh, my dad got a perch. This one's for Zane, bro.
Get him out of here before he gets away. It's a good one.
That's a big one. That's a big perch. Dude, that's good eating right there, bro.
Yeah, not from here, but yeah.
Yeah, that's a
Okay,
good
keep
eating.
it. I'm going to get my phone.
All right. Dad, that's a giant perch.
That's a big one, dude.
That, I don't know. We might have to get away on this. We might have to.
I was reeling in. I was like, oh, fuck.
Yeah, we might have to see. This is the perch I tried to go for. We have to. Hold on. Let me get her.
No, Matthew.
It's not off the hook. That's a good perch.
My first perch.
Yo, my dad just got this unit of a perch.
I'll release him.
Okay. We gotta get measurements though on him. So bring your rod. Get it. This is why I brought the scale. I had a feeling we'd catch a good one today.
I knew him.
All right, yo. I just have a fish in my hand. Trying to go up her freaking heck. Rods are on the ground.
This way?
Lips, yep.
Gross little fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
My first perch. Let's go, Matthew.
Yep.
Good shot.
He's off, bruh. This bird grabbed my hook.
Not good.
Not at all. Not.
Just cut it. You're gonna have to fly away with it.
That's not good at all, dude. I don't even want to go near it.
You're just gonna have to cut it, bud.
I had to go near my rod. I know. They love worms.
I know. Yeah.
And it's that same bird. Oh my gosh, dude. He grabbed my freaking... Now he's breathing, bruh. Big idiot. I'm glad he didn't fly away with my rod. I don't think he's strong enough. I don't want to grab my rod. Huh? Guys. No freaking way, dude. Sorry, guys. It's not, I mean, it's kind of my fault. But, yeah. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Dad right here caught his PB 3 times in a row. He got 1 PB perch.
2 PB bass.
2 PB bass. Ended off his bass with a 2.3. So, about 2.5 pounder. Sorry it's a little dark in here, but hopefully you guys have a good day. See ya.